The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everybody, this is Jack and welcome on this live training. We will get started in a couple of minutes and then we will kick it off for 1 hour. So today we're going to cover Rapify in more detail. Last training was about a quick start. We will go over quickly again over it and then we will expand on it. So each time you will learn new things. Rapify actually consists of a lot of modules, a lot of elements, a lot of settings, and a lot of things what you can do easily, but makes you edit websites easily and uh, and the end result will look professional. So it's not like WordPress that you have to kind of understand all the coding part, and Rapify is HTML based, so it's not easy to hack. And on top of that, you always have the original on Rapify. So if something really bad happens, you just can publish the latest version. So there's a lot of advantages of Rapify, which you might not have seen before, which you might not be aware at this point, but you will learn over time. And on top of that, we have now 1,000+ members, and each time now we're getting feedback and ideas and additions, so it will only become better from this point. Now, after you log in, you kind of see nothing. You see my sites, and you will not have any sites at this point. So when you log in, you want to go to niches, and then you see the niches you have direct access to. So if you only have the local plan, you have kind of those niches at your fingertips. So let's create a roofer site today, correct? So that's not too hard. You go, or at least check it out. You can view it and use it. Use will mean you take it into the website builder and you can customize it, publish it, show your client or show it for yourself, and then you can even download it or put it on your own FTP, on your own cPanel. And about hosting we will discuss a little bit later. So let's say you're not sure about if you want to use that website, you click on view. So now you kind of have a quick impression how the websites are looking. They have all those websites are SEO optimized. Now, what is SEO? I always get that question, Jack, are your website SEO? So let's discuss this quickly so you understand why those websites are really SEO optimized. So what is important for SEO? Can you give me feedback? What are the important factors for SEO? Keywords, keywords. What is more? Article, relevance, on page of video, on page optimization, image optimization. I hope I wide it wide. Schema, H1 and H2. Title and description. Okay, with keywords. Anything else? 500 or question is that backlinks. Anything else? What are more? Anybody else has an other ideas? What is important for SEO? So those are the things we can work with, or you have already. SSL. Citation. Fast speed. indexed. Loading speed. There, file speed, loading speed. Okay, same thing. GMB. Social proof. Reviews. Anything else? Is this what we work with today? AdWords is kind of not SEO. So press release. Okay, I think we can work with that. Now, let me images. I think we have images somewhere, image optimization. Yeah. Okay, now let me give you another perspective on this. Which websites does Google show on the first page? That's a whole lot of you on things, correct? Now, what is Google about? At least, besides making money, I know they are after money, but second then. So Google wants that good users find valuable results, correct? So what are valuable results? How does Google measure valuable results? So there are kind of what how does Google measure the valuable results? So they measure this, and now I get the answer I was looking for. So the average time spent on the website, correct? What determines the average time on the website? How can you improve that visitors spend more time on the website than anybody else? Okay, so now we are speaking. I know now you get the relevance, correct? Relevance. So your relevance, that means website visitor finds the content he was looking for, correct? You agree with this? They're looking, they find they are looking for, and they just like the website. So what when do people like the website? Is nice looking, correct? Nice looking, nice for the eye, and grouped or categorized in a logical way. So they find easily their answer they are looking for, correct? And of course, we are all smart marketers. Videos takes time to watch, which increase the time a visitor stays on the website, correct? Okay, when I can, yeah. Does this all make sense? No, we look at a little bit on a higher level than you gave the first answer. So, of course, fast loading helps fast loading helps the user experience. Correct? If a website loads slow, they're not liking the website so much. Make sense? Yes, 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 yes. And somebody just said something very important. Mobile friendly, correct? Because many people look on mobile devices. Okay? So now we kind of know what Google wants. But we have to tell Google where the website is about. So they showing the website for certain search terms. So we kind of, the we is the website, need to tell Google where the website is about, correct? Huh? Makes sense? We need to tell Google where the website is about. So how are we doing this? With titles, okay? With keywords, with schema. Now those factors comes in, we have to tell Google where the website is about. And now Google can show the website relative to the keyword. And if the website visitor stays on average relative long on the website, you're getting bonus points. And how more bonus points you get, how often Google is showing your website. Does this make sense? Are you understanding SEO? It's kind of, it's not like SEO is a magic or so. No, you need to dance with Google. The website needs to provide valuable information. That's step number one. The step number two, you need to tell Google where the website is about. So Google is going to show your website. And if Google shows your website, they're measuring if they like your website. And if they like your website, Google is giving you bonus points, and then they will show it more often. And if they show it more often and the average time is still good, they show it more often. And that is how you climb the ladder. Make sense? No. Also, okay, so that is kind of you have on site SEO. So where your on-site SEO is all what we just discussed. So that is above. That is kind of see above, huh? Okay. Now we have our off-site SEO, huh? That means backlinks, okay? Backlinks. Schema. No. Newsletters. Citations. Okay, those press release. Yeah, I was looking for that word. I was looking for press release, newsletters. I always call it newsletters, but actually I was press releases. Yes, and blogging and ads for blogging, etc. Okay, so as on-site SEO is important, but also off-site SEO important. So how more people telling about your website, Google is thinking, hey, your website is really good or important. Okay, I will give bonus points, and how more bonus points you get, how higher your website is ranking. Okay, is SEO now clear? Make SEO now sense to you? So how SEO really works? Not only that you know things, but you understand things now. Okay, why I telling you this? There was a reason for that, so from each niche, we make the most logical categories. So for roof repair is, for roofing is roof repair, commercial, residential. So the main categories are on the homepage. You see, there's not a lot of content on the homepage. You guys see that? There's not a lot of content on the homepage. We just want them to click. And so if they click, Google is seeing, oh, the bounce rate, people like the website, they're not turning away, they're going to read more about the website. And if they read more about the website, it is a sign to Google that the website visitor likes the website. Make sense? So if they click through the website, it is a sign that the website visitor likes the website, and Google is going to reward you with bonus points. So next time you ranking higher. So so it's nice for the eye. It shows the main category. Let's say they were looking for roof repair. They see nice image. They see the main. Now you kind of have the content. Now at this point, they deciding, oh, I want to read about it. Okay, I want to learn more about roof repair. They were not looking, they were not ready to read so much on the homepage. So a lot of content on the homepage is not always to your benefit. I know that is probably different than you learned, correct? You learn probably the homepage needs 500 to 1,000 words. Tell me yes if you are educated that way by all kind of gurus. Okay, it's not that way. It is, you need to show Google. You need to make sure the website visitor likes the website. Okay, that's very important. And they measure it by bounce rate and by average time. And the website visitor, you kind of want them to click, because a click means they like the website. And at that point, you can show content. Because be honest, who of you guys likes to read? Most of us nowadays only scans headlines, correct? And if only when you like the headline, you are willing to read. But even then, you kind of like you kind of prefer a video. Just a video is just easier, okay? And we're all easy, okay? And we don't like to read 1,000 words and then find something what we were looking for. No, that is why you don't put 1,000 words on the homepage, okay? You don't put 1,000 words on the homepage. You put the main categories on the homepage. They're going to check what they are looking for, and now at this point they are willing to read it. Video is even better, but at least you provide the content they are looking for. Okay, makes SEO no more sense in your eyes? And what I wanted, actually, why I started this, okay? Because all those websites we created, they are SEO optimized, but in a way you might not have thought before, okay? Because SEO is that Google likes your website. It's not keyword stuffing. It's not 1,000 words. It's simple. It's kind of simple that the website visitor likes your website. They find the answer. They stay in your website. They click to the website. And that is on-site SEO. And off-site SEO is press release, is blogging, citation, all that kind of thing. But I'm speaking about the website itself, the on-site schema. Okay, you guys see this? Schema is very important. You need to tell Google exactly what the business address is. You need to tell Google exactly what the phone number is. Okay? With schema, it's kind of you tell in Google language what those information is, and how more Google is clear, certain that that information is correct, you get bonus points. And how more bonus points you get, how higher Google ranks the websites. Make sense? So SEO is actually, when you understand SEO, it's simple. Okay? It's kind of simple if you always start from the Google side. Okay? Why did Google start? They started. Okay, they changed a little bit. Okay, I'm not 100% Google fan anymore as I was in the past. Okay, but they started to provide value to website visitors. Now Google, because of their stock, they also after the money. So I kind of not 100% Google love anymore. Okay, but I know what Google thinks. I know they want to provide value to the website visitor, so they really want that that you use the Google search engine. Okay, Google does everything to that they use the Google search, and they won that battle. And how did they win that battle or won the battle? Because they providing value. You get most likely you get the best results for your search term. The easiest way to find something is using Google. It's not when you say something like, okay, I need to know something, I'm going online. No, you say I'm Google it, correct? They won that. Google is kind of they won that battle. Now, you need to learn to dance with Google. And to dance with Google is providing value. They need when your website is nice for the eye, nice organized, load fast, they stay in your website, you get a lot of bonus points from Google. Okay. Now the second thing is you tell Google where the website is about. So they showing the website to the right audience. And when the right audience is on your website, it is a winner. And now um, your website is really ranking, okay, and win from the competitors. It's kind of a battle. You have to see that the Google is in battle, and you want to be on the first page, because if you're not on the first page, you're losing a lot. Okay, you want to be in the first page, and website speed is important. It's mobile friendly and website speed getting more and more and more important, correct? More website speed is more and more and more important. Okay, so why why do Rapify websites loads fast? What is the technical reason for that? Anybody have an idea? Why do websites for Rapify load so fast? Yes, I see some good answers. It is HTML based. Okay, so WordPress is database based. Okay, so what does that mean? HTML is all the information is on uh, on the page. But if your database basis, you need to go back to the server, find that information, go back to the website. It takes time. It's very flexible, okay? It's WordPress is more flexible and it can do amazing things, okay? But the load it takes time. It just takes time. And so WordPress based, so database based takes more time to show the website because it has to communicate with the server back and forward. Okay, back and forward. So WordPress has its advantage. Okay, I'm not downplaying WordPress. Okay, I'm just saying why are Rapify websites so loading fast? Because HTML based, and on top of that, Rapify makes them really nice looking. Okay, so not only they are HTML based, loading fast, but they are really nice eyes for the eyes. So they are really the latest why website visitor likes a website, they stay in a website, Google give you bonus points. Make sense? Uh, does that make sense what SEO is about? You make sure the website visitor likes your website. Now you tell about what the website is about with those keywords, with the site titles, with schema. I'm going to show you in a second, okay? You're going to learn all those mechanics and you understand things. You don't need to remember things, you understand things, because if you need to remember things, next day you can't forget those things. But if you understand things, then it's forever. What you just learned is forever. So when you speak about somebody else about SEO and you're going to just tell them what you just learned, they will say, wow, you really understand SEO. So now, Rapify is HTML based, WordPress is database based. Database based is amazing. You can do amazing stuff, okay? But it slows down the website. And nowadays, with Google, they really give bonus points for loading speed. Okay, everybody clear? Now, and all the website, every niche. So let me give you another niche, like plumbing, view. You see this? Residential commercial repair. They all kind of are logical grouped. Okay? Makes sense? Now, let me use the roofer side. Use. Okay? Use. Okay, now, I don't know, it's loading. It's not loading. What? Use. Is it in the background? Or I have to click one more time. Are you sure you want to use the website? Yes. Okay. Now, the website get loaded in the website builder. And now, let me finish that SEO discussion with you, okay? Because I'm going to show you exactly where to add those keywords, those site titles, okay? And then you nail it down. But first, you need to understand that the website on itself needs to be is very important. And keyword is just telling Google where the website is about. So let me give it a name, roofer. Okay, save. Now, you see here on the right hand side, settings. Okay, you go to settings and you go to page settings. Okay, and here you guys see you can enter the page title, the meta description, the keywords. Here you tell Google where the website is about. Google is going to read this. We make sure we use Google language. It's coding language. We use Google coding language that Google knows where the website is about. Precisely. No discussion. We use Google code. They read what we publish. And now, when Google is showing your website for a relative keyword, because you enter the keyword, okay? Let's say plumber, Boca Raton, okay? Your city, okay? Boca Raton. Okay, page title, roofer, ABC in Boca Raton, serves for since trusted since 2009. Okay, now we are serving home owners with roofing problems since 2009. Okay, and then you say meta keywords, plumbers, Boca Raton, local plumbers, Boca Raton. Okay, so this is the page style. Now the meta description, you can decide. I set this. Oh, there was a plumber. Okay, was it a plumber website? I forgot. Which website? I think we used roofer. Okay, roofing. I think. Oh, here. Okay. Thank you. Roofer. Okay, roofers. Okay, I mix things up. Roofers, roofer, and local roofers. Okay, now here this you have one page title. You can add a page description for each page, or you can do it for all the pages. So I'm just lazy, but you can set it for all pages, correct? Okay, and then tracking code if you want to do some tracking code. And now let's save this. Save settings. Okay, are you not amazed? You just optimize your website for SEO. That's all what it takes. You don't need to be a WizKid, okay? You just follow that simple. You go to settings, page settings, okay? And you can do it for every page, or you said I want to apply it for all the pages. Can I get a wow? Things can just sometimes so easy. So you not only you not only understand what Google likes, but you can also apply it, correct? Huh? Now, let me tell you quickly where the schema is. You go to site settings and go to schema, okay? And this schema, you just can enter your name, your city, okay? You just enter this, you update it, and then the schema get automatically applied. Okay, you just update your new address, okay, and then the schema get updated. Now, I got one question. What is schema? Can anybody answer what is schema? What is schema? Okay, so information, yeah. Now, schema. Scott has kind of, I hope you understand what Scott said, that he's the right answer. Telling in shortcode for Google what the page is about. Okay, so Google isn't computer, it's not a human being, correct? Google bot, Google computer scans your website. Now, you need to tell the Google computer where your website is about, and they came up with a computer language. I don't know, software language, I don't know how to say it, but in software language. Okay, so and then we call it schema software language, or if you really like, Google schema software language. Makes sense? And now you label each important element. Okay, an element is what's an element? Is the phone number. Okay, so Google knows exactly what the phone number is. It's the business name. Okay, the address. So we tell Google in their language what those elements are, so there's no guesswork. Okay, so they can link the website with all those business directories information, with Google My Business Place, and with the search term. And so schema is a software language for Google. And you tell, no, Google is kind of tell this is a language provided in this way. And if you provide it in this way, we give you bonus point because there's no guessing anymore. Okay, you want to earn those bonus points. If the schema is applied well, you get bonus points from Google. So there's no guessing anymore where the website is about. Make sense? No confusing. 100%, this is it. Oh my God, 35 minutes in and you got already so much information. Now, what is Google? What is SEO? SEO is you tell Google, you make sure your website is clear, the website visitor likes the website, okay? We tell Google with page title, with keywords and schema where your website is about. Are you guys clear on SEO? SEO is you have the website and it needs to load fast, it needs to be mobile responsive, and you tell with page settings and schema where your website is about. And once those two are all optimized, okay, you get bonus points. And how do you say that? How more bonus points you get, how higher you rank in Google. And the goal is to rank on the first page, correct? That's the goal. So, okay, you will not rank easily for, one second, I don't want schema this, I wanted the daughter screen. So, I did something, maybe you notice it, but maybe you didn't notice it. That is one, two. I did not say the keyword, I want to rank for roofers, okay? It is very hard to rank for roofers. Somebody who does it for years and has all lot of content, they rank for roofers. But you can rank for roofers Boca Raton, correct? A local intent keyword with city, okay? With some not high search keyword, but still a very good keyword, because would it not be nice if a roofer lives in city 123, they get ranked for their main keyword like roofer city 123. Even if they get only 20 clicks each month, if they would show their website for this 20, wow, and they would get one of 2, 3 deals out of it, wow. You guys see this? And also, it will help them to rank in the Google My Business, because Google My Business is by definition local. Huh? So, don't go after general keywords, go after local keywords. Okay? You have, and then when you rank for local keywords and you want to widen it up, okay? You want to use more general keywords, maybe add a general keyword to it, okay? But then I don't know how many SEO wizards are here, but then you need press release, then you need backlinks, then you need citation, then you need blogging, okay? Here, that is the part I don't like SEO. That is really the part I don't like SEO. That is easy, okay? I can cover this. But that is work, okay? That is work. But it's free. It's free traffic. If you can outsource those, outsource this, then it's really good. Okay, so when you load the website, okay, then you go to replace the company information. Now, we kind of updated the screen based on your user experience. You cannot, this is the current information, okay? And this is the new information. So let's say the real phone number of somebody's website is 561 from that roofer is 451, okay? 451, and then 5555. And everything else I keep the same. Now, what should happen now? All the website content get updated, correct? All the website get updated with the new phone number, and also the schema phone number get updated. So let's hope for the best. Everything else should be the same. I want first to give you a demonstration of only the phone number. I click on replace. And what should happen now is that on all the pages, the new phone number should be 5555, correct? So let's see if it works. Okay, I didn't test it before, but it should work. Oh my god, it works. 5555, 5555, 5555. You guys see this? Now, not only change it on the home page, but it should change on every page, on the contact page as well, correct? On the whole website, you only have one place to change the whole information, and on all pages. So is that not easy? You see, on the contact page, 5555, 5555. Everybody see this? It's so super simple to update your website. Now, I say one more time, and I need to check it. So you go to site setting and see if the schema phone number is also updated. You go to schema, and then you see the phone number. Now it's 5555, correct? So also the schema phone number got updated, and you can do this just for any site information. Okay, you go to schema section replace, so you can change here. The new phone number is now 5555, and you can change it to the new phone number. But you can do it for the company name, you can do it for the street, you can do it for the city, you can do it for the state, you can do it for the zip code. Make sense? Now, this point, let's publish it a little bit. Okay, you can also now download it. You can download this website, you get it as a zip file, and you can upload to via your own cPanel and via your own FTP. Okay, makes sense? So you can always download it and get a zip file. Now you can also publish it. Okay, and then since I haven't entered the publish information, it's going to ask Jack, where do you want to publish to? Okay, let's say if you have a www gateway account for the server, that is actually the best solution. But let's do just quickly on Rapify. Click on Rapify. One website is for free. Each website is $5 per month. So if you have the local plan, this will be and I will show you in a second where you can change demo. Save settings. Okay, save settings. And then you can publish site. And now the whole website get published. Okay, at least if I click publish now. Just wait 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Okay. And then you get the first website to demo to your client. Okay. And they will be impressed, and they give some feedback. You process the feedback, and you're done. Okay, didn't take too long now, depending on the size of the website, how busy the server is. So this is good. Okay, close. and then you click on it, and then you can see, oh, 1 second, I have to demo Rapify. 1 second. Go to home. Okay. And then you you can use this URL to give it to your I said it to your client, and then they say, "Now I want it on domain ABC." Okay, ABC. Now then you need a way that domain ABC is hosted on the big gateway or so, and then you host it published on that domain, and then you share that domain. Or yeah, I will demo it in a second how you do it with the big gateway. Okay, 1 second. You guys hear me? Sorry. When you are on the home page, you can go to the review section and you can just edit it, and you can edit your own testimonials. Okay, it's also part of this section. Okay, so in this section, when you click somewhere else in this element, okay, you can just go to the settings and look up all those settings, and the pencil will help you to make those small changes. You go to pencil and happy client, okay, and update and close. Okay, and here you can just make setting, and also if you want to link it to another website or other section. But those are kind of advanced editing and are kind of like to go over next week of that. How exactly do you sell these websites? In the previous training, we went over how to get clients. So in the previous training, if you want a link for that, then just let me know, send me supporting. But in the previous training, we went over how to get clients. Okay? Do you have to publish to demo a site? Do you have to put? Yes. So unlike WordPress, okay, so you have to understand that WordPress is already kind of online and live, correct? Now with Rapify, the websites are in the builder. I don't know how to say that. On the builder. To view the website, you need to publish it. Published on a demo domain, or if you have like if you have the gateway account, okay, you grab your demo domain, you publish to your own, you publish to your own demo domain and show the result. Or if you already have the client domain, you order the client domain and you publish to that domain. Okay, so those are kind of the options. Now let's go quickly over some basic. So I'm going to start with this, but you will get more trained the next time. Okay, so editing, website editing, and so this is the first step to website editing. Now you have to understand how the website is built. So the website is obviously built on pages, correct? And what consists a page of? A page actually consists of blocks, blocks, sections, and modules. Okay, if you don't follow everything what I'm going to tell you, I'm going to repeat it 3 times in 3 different webinars. Okay, now what is a block? You see those circles on the right. Notice them. You see the circles on the right. Guys, see this? Guys, see the circle on the right. Okay, that is a block. Okay, that is a block. That is, the block starts where the circle starts and ends until the next circle. That is a block. Is this clear? So the block here is the header here. The block here is this slider. The block is this row. The block is this row. The block from here is this up to the next circle. That is a block. So a website is built on blocks. Everyone understand what a block is? A website page is built of multiple blocks, and each block has section. So when you see this orange, that is a section. Orange is a section. So a block is built up multiple sections, one or more sections. It doesn't need to be 10 sections, it can also be 1 section, okay? But it has multiple sections. Make sense? Now each section can build up, you see this? Each section, that is a module. That is a module, that is a module, and that is a module. Okay? So going back, a website is built on blocks. It is section, and each section can contain modules. Okay? So are we clear on the terminology? It blocks, section, and modules. Okay? Blocks, section, and modules. You can do amazing things now when you understand pages, sections, and blocks. Okay? Pages, sections, and blocks. Now, I'm going to explain this now, but I will repeat it many times in the next training. You see this save? You can save a section. You can save a section. And once you save a section, you can use it on another page, and you can use it even on another website. So when you click on save, it is asking, do you want to only save this block for this website, or do you want, if you are on another website, like you're on a roofer website and you want to use it on a plumber website, you can also use it there. Okay? Okay. Now within an element, you can even save a section, not only a block, but you can also save a section for, if you click on save, you can use a section for this website, or you can use it globally. Okay. And you can also there is a module. A module, you cannot save it. Okay, you have to save either a block or a section. But you can clone a block. You see this plus sign? No. I want to copy. You see this clone this element? You click on it, and you have another element. You can just use it or change it. Correct? And say you want to use another element, you click on plus sign, and then you get all those new modules which you can use, like a video, an image, a map, a bullet list, sublime. So although, and that is the message I wanted to give before we end, although those niches, those Rapify niches looks very easy and straightforward and kind of simple, you have a lot of editing tools which you will discover over time that it's actually not that you can only do certain things, you can do a lot of things. And once you're going to learn the builder and learn the advantage of what you can do with those editing tools, you will customize those websites more to your like. Make this sense? I don't want to make this end as like complicated. I just want to give you the message. Those one-click websites are very easy, very easy to use, and you can just publish them, and you have SEO optimized and all things. But if you had the idea from all those websites look the same, no. This can just be a static point view. They come with content, and you can customize a lot, much more than you would imagine that you can. You need training for this, and every week you get more and more training how to use it. Now, but you can also go. We created a great hello file. You go to start, and then you going to getting started, what you kind of need to do for quick start. But we're also working on the Rapify manual, and the Rapify manual will have more and more and more training how to customize um, the websites. Okay, so here on inside Rapify you will find the first webinar, and once this webinar is done, I will post the next webinar. Here you have the PDF for getting started, the bonuses. Okay, then the website client getting campaign, which so when you ask for how to get a client, you want to look at this bonus, how to get a client get a campaign, and there's a link to the new video management. So if you have the video, then you go to video, the agency level, if you have that, how to use it. So we have how to order a domain and SSL, replace company details, how to do the FTP and the Google My Business website. Okay, so with that said, the webinar will get posted here under videos. So as long as they are current, I will show the webinar, and as time, I'm not showing go the 20 webinars, but the next webinar will get shown here. And so you can always log in Rapify and look that up. So with that said, I really thank you guys for your answer. And the next training is Tuesday, 8 p.m. EST. Thank you so much.